Back then, we lived in a tiny attic above a storefront. Whenever it rained, water leaked in everywhere. We had to stoop just to get inside. We all slept on the floor. Several of us squeezed together. We endured those hardships for over 2 months. When Mr. Sia held a meeting with us, he told us with a very determined look in his eyes that our goal was to go public within the next few years. We were all shocked and thought it was impossible. After all, our company was extremely small back then. But those words stayed with us, and a few years later, Taikan actually made it happen.